Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for my Walgreen haul video for this week. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I would like to have you as a subscriber. Please don't forget to like, comment and share the video. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. I hope everyone's day is going great and I have some easy to do deals in this video. So let's get started. The first two items I'm picking up is not giving back any register reward or Walgreen cash, but some of the Ziplocs are on sale for 2 for $8. Picking up two, we don't have any coupon for this, so you have to pay the $8. But check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2.50 on each, making both items just $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I have here will be on some Oral-B toothbrush. They're on sale for $3 and they're part of the deal of buy two or more participating products. You get $3 register reward back. Picking up two at $3 each is going to total $6. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will apply and drop it down to $3. You pay $3 and get $3 back, making both items free. These are the 4 items I'll be picking up in this transaction. And one thing I forgot to mention when I was talking about the Ziploc is make sure you're scanning this item in your Ibotta to make sure that it's attaching to the rebate you have. That way you don't buy it and don't get any rebate back. This transaction worked out very well. I used $10 Walgreen cash to pay for this, paid $1 out of pocket plus tax, and I got back my $3 register reward for the 2 Oral-B toothbrush. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $2.50 on each Ziploc, making those 2 Ziplocs just $3 or $1.50 each. The next deal I'll pick up will be on the Dawn Power Wash and also the Dawn Easy Squeeze. They are part of the buy 4 get $5 register reward back. The Easy Squeeze is on sale for $3.99. I don't have any coupon for that. For the Dawn Power Wash, it's on sale for $4.99. There is a $2 in the app if you have not used yours yet, but I've used mine. But I'll be using 2 of the $2 we got from the 11.5 savings set, 1 for each item. After the 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $13.96 and I'll get $5 back, making all 4 items $8.96 or $2.24 each. I checked out and this transaction almost went well. The 2 coupons I showed you guys, they both came off. I used some register reward to help with the subtotal, and I also used a $5 Walgreen cash, paid just 96 cents out of pocket plus tax, but I did not receive my register reward for buying 4. The cashier gave me $5 Walgreen cash to replace the register reward I was supposed to get. I don't know if this happened to anybody else, but I don't know if I picked the wrong item. But looking at the picture on the ad, it's exactly what I picked up. So I don't know what happened, but I'm glad it was resolved. The last deal I picked up is the same as the Oral-B toothbrush, but this time I'm picking up the mouthwash. They're on sale for $3, and when you buy 2 or more, you get $3 back. And we also have another coupon, 3 off 2 for the mouthwash, that will be applying to this and dropping it down to $3. I'll pay $3 and I'll get $3 back, making both items free. And to do this deal, make sure you're not combining it. You have to do it separate. You have to do 2 on each transaction to be able to get $3 back. And you can see my receipt is very simple. I paid just 47 cents out of pocket, that's the tax, and I got my $3 back. The next 2 deals I have here are the same. You have to do one at a time. It's the whole blend. They're on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 register reward back, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. And also the Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back, and we also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You have to do these deals separate if you want to pick both products. If you're doing the whole blend, you end up paying just $5, and you get $3 register reward back, making each item $1 or $2 for both, and that goes for the Garnier Fructis as well. Thank you all for joining me once again, and this concludes my video for today, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.